Wow, look at all these toys hiding under thick, gooey paint. Blue, red, yellow, and purple. Let's get washing and see who is waiting for us. Oh, a big blue shape with a tall fin. Who could be driving this blue mystery? Let's take it to the water. Scrub-a-dub-dub. Wash away that blue. It's the Spiderman Web-Crawler. Spiderman uses his webs to swing through the city and catch bad guys. Zoom! Now for a bright yellow one. It's smooth and fast. I think it has 4 wheels. Time for a bubble bath. Splash! Scrubbing off the yellow. Look, it's a sleek Audi R8. This is a super fast sports car that can drive over 200 miles per hour. Here is a purple mystery. It has a propeller on top. Is it an animal or a vehicle? Let's find out. Into the water. Keep scrubbing. It's a stealthy black helicopter. Helicopters can hover in one spot and even fly backwards. How cool is that? A green one next. This one is flat and very pointy. It looks like it wants to fly high. Let's wash the green paint off. Rub, rub, rub. It's a Camouflage Fighter Jet. These jets are built for speed and can fly faster than the speed of sound. Whoosh. Look, a tiny green driver in a green car. He looks very round and friendly. Let's see his real colors. Scrubbing time. Wash away the green. It's JD from Cocomelon in his little car. JD loves to learn and sing songs with his family and friends. This purple one is thin and has 2 big wheels. It looks like it's ready for a race. Let's give it a deep clean. Scrubbing the purple, it's a powerful Yamaha racing motorcycle. Motorcycles use a chain to turn the back wheel and make them go fast. Another yellow one. But this car is very small and very sporty. I wonder what's under the paint. To the bubbles. Washing, washing. It's a Hot Wheels race car. Hot Wheels have been making cool toy cars for over 50 years. That's a long time. A dark blue mystery. This one is very square and looks like a classic car. Let's see what's hiding. Into the bucket. Scrub away the blue. It's a vintage military Jeep. Jeeps were first made to help soldiers drive over bumpy rocks and through thick mud. Look at this big red mystery. It has a long tube on the front and heavy tracks. What could it be? Let's wash it and see. Scrubbing the red paint. It's a powerful battle tank. Tanks use those long tracks instead of wheels, so they never get stuck in the mud or sand. Boom! It has a rotating turret to look in every direction, all clean and ready for the field. A red mystery! This one is very sharp and looks like it's from the future. Let's wash away the red goo. Scrubbing hard. It's the F-117 Nighthawk stealth fighter. This special plane is shaped like a diamond. This blue one is another jet. It has 2 wings and a very pointy nose. Let's get it clean for takeoff. Splash! Wash, wash, wash. It's an F-22 Raptor. The Raptor is a super maneuverable jet, which means it can turn very quickly in the air. Now a yellow one. It looks like another jet, but with different wings. Let's see who this pilot is. Into the bubbles. Washing off the yellow, it's a Thunderbird stunt plane. The Thunderbirds perform amazing air shows to show off their incredible flying skills. A purple one with sirens on top. Is it a doctor or a hero? Let's wash and reveal our mystery friend. Scrubbing the purple. It's a police car. Police officers use their sirens and lights to tell people to move so they can get to emergencies fast. A red one with a big ladder. I think I know who this is. Do you? Let's wash it to be sure. Scrub-a-dub-dub. Wash away the red. It's a fire truck. Fire trucks carry long hoses and heavy ladders to help firefighters save people from tall buildings. A tiny green one. This vehicle is very unusual. It has a big roller on the front. Let's find out what it does. Scrubbing off the green. It's a steamroller. Steamrollers are used to flatten the ground and make new roads nice and smooth for our cars. This purple one is a big van. It looks very sturdy and strong. Let's wash away the purple paint. To the water. Rub, rub, rub. It's an ambulance. Ambulances are like moving hospitals that take hurt people to see a doctor very quickly. A red one with big wheels. It looks like it can drive over anything. Let's see its real face. Into the bubbles. Scrubbing the red. It's a monster truck. These trucks have giant tires and huge engines so they can jump over cars and do flips. A blue one with teeth. This monster truck looks a bit scary. Let's see what's under the blue paint. Splash! Wash, wash, wash. It's the shark monster truck. Look at those blue fins. This truck is designed to look like the king of the ocean. A yellow bird in a little boat. How cute. Let's see her real colors for the pool party. Scrubbing time. Washing away the yellow, it's a rubber ducky on a jet ski. Ducks love the water, and this ducky loves to go fast on the waves. Our last one, a dark blue monster truck. Let's give it one final wash to finish our tray. To the water. One last scrub. It's the El Toro Loco bull truck. This truck has horns and even breathes smoke during the big monster truck shows. Grrr.